The surprising benefits of garlic for your health and wellness journey. What if I told you that a simple kitchen ingredient could boost your health in more ways than you can imagine? Imagine unlocking a treasure trove of health benefits with just one humble aromatic bulb. Welcome to our deep dive into the surprising benefits of garlic for your health and wellness journey. In this video, we'll uncover the top health benefits of garlic that you might not be aware of. From boosting your immune system to improving heart health, reducing inflammation, and even enhancing athletic performance, garlic is a powerhouse ingredient that deserves a spotlight in your diet. Stay tuned as we explore these incredible benefits backed by scientific evidence and expert opinions. Let me start with a personal story. A few years ago, I was constantly battling colds and feeling fatigued. A friend suggested I start incorporating more garlic into my meals. Skeptical but desperate, I gave it a try. Within weeks, I noticed a significant improvement in my energy levels and overall health. That sparked my interest in researching garlic's benefits, and what I discovered was astonishing. Let's dive into these findings together. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more nutritious discoveries. Throughout this video, you'll see high-quality images and videos of garlic in various forms, raw, cooked, and even as supplements. We'll also include engaging graphics and animations to help illustrate each benefit clearly and vividly. Health benefit number 1, immune system boost. Garlic is renowned for its immune-boosting properties. Studies have shown that garlic can enhance the function of the immune system, helping the body fend off illness and infection. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, has been proven to reduce the risk of catching a cold by 63% compared to a placebo. Adding garlic to your diet could be a simple yet effective way to strengthen your defenses. Health benefit. Number 2, heart health. Did you know that garlic can be a heart's best friend? Garlic helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, two significant risk factors for heart disease. According to research, consuming garlic can reduce blood pressure by up to 8% and lower total cholesterol by 10 to 15%. Including garlic in your meals could support better heart health and longevity. Health benefit number 3, anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties make it beneficial for those with conditions like arthritis. The sulfur compounds in garlic help reduce inflammation in the body, providing relief from pain and swelling. Incorporating garlic into your diet can help manage chronic inflammation and improve overall health. Health benefit number 4, antioxidant powerhouse. Garlic is a potent antioxidant, helping to combat oxidative stress and free radical damage. Antioxidants in garlic, such as selenium and vitamin C, protect your cells from damage and support overall wellness. Regular consumption of garlic can contribute to a healthier, more resilient body. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more nutritious discoveries. Health benefit number 5, antibacterial and antiviral properties. Garlic acts as a natural antibiotic, fighting off harmful bacteria and viruses. Its antibacterial and antiviral properties can help prevent and treat infections. Historically, garlic has been used to combat various illnesses, and modern science supports its effectiveness as a natural remedy. Health benefit number 6, improving digestion. A healthy gut is crucial for overall health, and garlic can play a significant role in promoting digestive health. Garlic stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food and absorption of nutrients. It also has prebiotic properties, supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Health benefit number 7, detoxification. Garlic, often known as the stinking rose, is revered not only for its potent flavor, but also for its impressive health benefits, particularly in detoxification. This aromatic bulb contains a compound called allicin, which activates upon crushing or chopping, releasing its therapeutic properties. Known for its powerful antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, garlic is a natural detoxifier that can cleanse the body of toxins and boost liver function. The liver, being the body's main detoxifying organ, benefits significantly from garlic. Allicin and selenium present in garlic support liver function by enhancing the production of detoxifying enzymes. These enzymes are crucial for flushing out toxins, helping the body to maintain a healthy balance. Additionally, garlic stimulates the production of glutathione, a potent antioxidant that aids in the detoxification process. Consuming garlic also promotes the elimination of heavy metals from the body, such as lead and mercury, which can accumulate and cause severe health issues. Its sulfur compounds form a barrier, protecting cells from oxidative stress and helping in the removal of these harmful substances. Incorporating garlic into your diet can be simple and effective. Whether eaten raw, cooked, or as part of a supplement, this humble bulb offers a natural, potent way to support your body's detoxification processes, leading to improved overall health and vitality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more nutritious discoveries. Health benefit number 8: cancer prevention. Emerging research suggests that garlic may have a role in cancer prevention. Studies have found that regular garlic consumption can reduce the risk of certain cancers, including stomach and colorectal cancers. The sulfur compounds in garlic are believed to have cancer-fighting properties, making it a valuable addition to a cancer-preventive diet. Health benefit number 9: enhanced athletic performance. Did you know that ancient Greek athletes used garlic to boost their performance? Garlic was believed to improve physical strength and endurance. Modern research indicates that garlic supplementation can reduce exercise-induced fatigue and enhance athletic performance. Including garlic in your diet could help you achieve your fitness goals more effectively. Health benefit number 10: skin health. Garlic isn't just good for your insides, it benefits your skin too. Its antibacterial and antioxidant properties can help clear up acne and improve skin health. Applying garlic topically or including it in your diet can lead to clearer, healthier skin. Easy tips for incorporating garlic into your diet. Now that we know how beneficial garlic is, here are some practical tips to include more garlic in your daily meals. Add minced garlic to your salads, soups, and sauces. Roast garlic bulbs and spread the creamy cloves on bread or mix into mashed potatoes. Incorporate garlic into your favorite stir-fry or pasta dishes. Try garlic supplements if you're not a fan of the taste but want the benefits. Let's address some common myths about garlic. Eating too much garlic is harmful. While it's essential to consume garlic in moderation, eating it as part of a balanced diet is generally safe. Garlic breath is unavoidable. Chewing parsley or mint after eating garlic can help neutralize the odor. Precautions and potential side effects. While garlic is generally safe for most people, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Digestive issues. Some people may experience heartburn or stomach upset. Allergies. Garlic allergies, though rare, can occur. Interaction with medications. Garlic can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners. Consult your doctor if you're on medication. I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite ways to use garlic? Have you experienced any health benefits from incorporating garlic into your diet? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more health and wellness tips. Share this video with friends and family looking to improve their health naturally. Remember, the journey to better health can start with something as simple as a clove of garlic. Embrace these benefits and take charge of your wellness. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.